she called me, left a voice message. Imagine getting this voice message. Hi, honey. It's your mother. I know you haven't seen me in a while, but next Thursday, I won't be around. So you may want to come next Wednesday because it will be my last day. I called my sister. I'm like, what the hell is it? She goes, she's crying. She said she just told me she's going to do an assisted suicide. And so that next week, I was there, my sister and I, my mom there, took these pills, waiting for the doctor. And she's going through all these old photo albums of us growing up, talking about these moments. The doctor comes in and ministers, and she starts gasping. My sister runs out. The doctor already left. And I was like, she's gasping for air. And I'm just sitting there.